What if I told you the strategy you believe is helping your channel is actually the reason you are stuck? And the worst part, almost every small creator is doing it. If your channel isn't growing, if your views are inconsistent, if you feel like the algorithm hates you, this might be why. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Kevin, the creator behind Grow With Kelvin. And on this channel, I help both small and new content creators how to grow fast on YouTube the right way. The things that work for me, I come here and share, and the things that don't work for me, I still come here and share so you don't make the same mistake. If you see this as a vibes, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. And I'm also doing a one-on-one session for your channel audit. If you want to grow fast, book for that session. The link is in the description. Click the link and you shall be directed to what you will need to do so we can work together to see how your channel grows fast. So today I'm going to expose a YouTube strategy that sounds smart, look productive, feel consistent, but silently destroys small channels. And if you don't fix it now, 2026 will be the year your growth will completely stuck. Let's break it down. The first here is the strategy. So let's talk about the strategy. Posting everything. I know a lot of small creators get many advice from various big YouTubers that will say hop on trend, post what is working. Let me explain. Many small creators post shorts, post long form, post different topics, post trends, switch niches, try everything on a single channel. They think more content is equal to more growth. It's very wrong. YouTube doesn't reward randomness. YouTube rewards clarity. When your content is inconsistent with format, audience, and topics, the algorithm gets confused, and confused channels don't grow. Follow closely because the next point I'm about to share, this is where many people missed it because they don't know what this strategy does to their channel. So the next point is what happened after using this strategy. What happened to your channel? Here is what this strategy secretly does. It trains the wrong audience. It lowers your click-through rate. It destroys audience retention pattern. It weakens your channel's identity, and you will end up attracting these sets of viewers. Short viewers who don't watch long-form content. Random traffic that doesn't subscribe. Viewers who don't return. Your channel look active, but your growth stays flat. That's the most destroying trap. Now, what do you need to do for you as a small creator for you to stand out and for you to grow massively? So the next session is we are talking about what you need to do so that you can stand out and you can grow fast. Instead of you following the strategy and then end up attracting the wrong audience, it is better for you to do this. Follow me. Step 1, choose one core content direction. Make your content target one and the same direction. It should be just one direction. Let's say you're creating comedy, you are into comedy, and your comedy is targeted to people aged from 65. Target it to them. If you are into tech, make sure you should be posting tech videos. If you are into vlog, make sure your video should be on vlogs. If you want anything trending, look on that same niche. Look for trending in that your niche, not that you look for another trending topic from different niche and bring into your channel. You are confusing. So the best thing to do is for you to choose one core content direction. Step 2, make 10 videos around that same problem and then check to see if your growth will increase. Step 3, study which angle perform best. Double down on the winner. Growth is not about doing more. It's about doing focused repetition. Small channels don't need variety. They need clarity. This is where our next point comes in. The mindset shift. Stop trying to blow up, because if you blow up, you will scatter. Start trying to build signals. The algorithm watches patterns. If your content sends a clear pattern, YouTube will recommend your video confidently, and confidence is equals to distribution. If you're serious about growing this year, stop guessing, start building strategically. Comment below, what niche are you focused on? And if you want a real growth breakdown, support this video, like this video and subscribe to this channel so that YouTube will push this video to more creators like you. Because we don't chase the algorithm, we understand it. Stay still. See you on my next video. Keep showing up, keep posting.